What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. First off, I want to say Happy New Year. 2025 is going to be our year. Today our goal is to attempt to get these spot welds off for this front core support. There's like the little spot welds there. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. So that's going to be the plan, getting this thing out and then attempting to fix this little crease right here. And if we have time, we will do this one as well. But I need some reference points, so I'm going to be using this blue car to kind of look where everything's supposed to go. Obviously, removing it is not going to matter, but I'm going to have to take this intercooler off whenever I get to that pinch weld. Not the pinch weld, the pitch stop, I mean. And we're going to give that a try first and see what happens. I was waiting for approximately probably 2 weeks, waiting on this guy to come in. It was taking forever because they're all out of stock everywhere, so this is pretty cool. This is like a little grinder for spot welds and stuff. So I'm pretty excited to use it. So let's go ahead and get grinding on these core support ones, just to kind of get a feel for that little new toy I got, and we'll go from there. Alright, so as you can see, everything's all out. I just gotta straighten those out a little bit, sand them down a little bit, get them looking good. And then we obviously gotta get this piece off as well. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start doing some unbending. There's like a little crease right here. I'm gonna try to get that pulled out as straight as possible with my old trusty hammer. freaking machine. Look how good that looks. I got that crease all straightened out. It was a pain because it was like creased like a V. I got this thing pretty much all the way straight. Just gotta do a little bend by hand and should be looking good. I got this piece all pretty much straightened out. It's all flattened. I compared it to this one. I've been using this car a lot for comparison. It helps out a lot, but it's not perfect on the tub. I mean, honestly, I probably should have replaced this whole tub, but I'm pretty happy with that. At the end of the day, it is my car. It's not like a customer's car. And by the way, I've never done this before. This is the first time I'm ever tackling bodywork of this sort. So this is all new to me, but it's not hard. It's just trying to get it to be all finessed, basically. So, and then this side is pretty much all good to go. It wasn't really that bad anyways to begin with. So we're looking good. I'm pretty happy with that. I was pretty worried about this, but I got it straightened out pretty well. I just got to pound this one back up in there, and then try to straighten it up as much as possible. I need like a 2x4 or something. That way I can get it as perfectly straight as possible. Maybe I'll try to get like a friend over here or something because it's easier with two people. But I'm doing it by myself and it's working out. It's just kind of more a pain in the butt, but it's working. So. for the record, if I can't get this straightened out, I'm just gonna have to basically drill out all the spot welds and just replace those two front crash member support arms for both of them. It won't be like that difficult to really replace, I don't think. Maybe this all in piece. I mean, it might be not that bad, but I'm gonna try straightening it out first. This is very, very thick metal. I believe it's 2 sheets of very thick metal. So I'm trying to heat it up so that I don't crack it. I'm just trying to be easy with it as much as possible, but the heat is definitely helping. So we're gonna try straightening it out. If it does not work out for some reason, then we'll go ahead and just replace both of them. Looking good. Alright guys, so that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for today's video. I got this bended out as much as possible. I ran out of propane, so gotta get one of those tomorrow. It's currently laid outside, as you see. So I did look at Subaru to see how much this piece costs. It's actually 3 pieces. You have this outer piece here, then an inner piece here, and then another piece here. You could buy all 3 separately. I realistically only need the outer one and the ones where the bolts to go. So it's like 2 pieces. They're like 35 bucks each, new from Subaru. So that's something good to keep in mind. It doesn't look really too bad to replace. It's just really thick. So I don't know if you can see the spot welds there. So gonna have to drill those out. I'm gonna try it a little bit maybe tomorrow or this weekend to play with it a little bit more. The heat does work. I'm just really worried that it's gonna crack. So this is not aluminum, this is steel. So this side I haven't messed with at all. So we'll go ahead and see what happens. We'll give it a shot. Worst case worst, I'll just go ahead and order them. But this one I spent like probably a good hour playing with it. This side turned out pretty good, but this one came out actually pretty good. The top one, this bottom one's just not. It's really having a hard time moving. So then I obviously still gotta take this piece off, the lower radiator support, which is kind of like, it's pretty much already off just naturally from the wreck, but we're getting there. Thank you guys for watching today's video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.